Want to trade crypto without stress? Then you need to know why compliance is important. Yeah, that fill this form thing is actually for your own good. Do you know that moment when you're about to make a big trade but your account gets flagged? Or when you try to withdraw and the system says verify your identity first? Feels annoying, right? But hear me out. KYC, shorthand for Know Your Customer, is actually your best friend in the crypto world. Let's break it down. KYC is basically like showing your ID at a club. You definitely wouldn't want anyone going unchecked, right? Well, in crypto, KYC helps keep the scammers, the fraudsters, and the shady guys trying to use the system for, questionable activities out. Okay, why does Obiex even care about KYC? Well, apart from security, compliance is what keeps crypto platforms running legally. Without it, governments could just boom and shut things down. Well, since nobody wants to hear another, where is my money, yo?
You gonna give me my money? Where's my money, man?
At Obiex, we ensure that we follow the necessary compliance guidelines to keep you and your money safe. As we do our part, you also have your role to play.
You talking to me?
Yeah, what's the role that you have to play? As an Obiex user, when you verify your identity on Obiex, you are helping keep the platform running smoothly. Think of it as a necessary good that is not just necessary, but also important. But I hear you when you say, what if I don't want to give out my details? Privacy is key in crypto. Well, that's a fact. But let's be real. Would you rather trade on a legit platform or risk your funds with some sketchy, unverified sites that you can't even verify their legitimacy or compliance stance? With a platform like Obiex, your information stays protected, but completing a KYC check also keeps the bad actors out. That said, what do you need to know? Number one, you should have the information of where the coin you are getting is coming from. Number two, know who the customer is by collecting basic identity verification. And finally, verify the source of the coin before proceeding with the transaction. This helps keep you safe from money laundering activities or other illegitimate transactions that can cause your funds to get locked or even put you in trouble with law enforcement. So yeah, you also have to stay safe out there. Bottom line, compliance isn't a scam or an inconvenience. It's what makes Obiex a safe place to trade, withdraw, and flex your crypto bag. So next time you see that verify your identity prompt, just know it's not just for Obiex, it's for you. Like, share, and drop a comment if you have ever had a compliance issue before. We got you. Follow Obiex for more crypto insights. See you in the next one.